Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to our almost last week of American literature. This week we are wrapping up our readings for the quarter because next week is finals week. So, no new material finals week, just reflecting what you've learned this quarter. So, this week is going to be the last of it for us. You've got a postmodernism character assignment today. We get to read a little bit of Anne Sexton Sylvia's Death and the Starry Night tomorrow. On the 16th, we're going to read a little bit of Spiegelman's Mouse. This is really our only graphic novel this term, but there's a wealth of incredible literature that comes in the form of graphic novels. So I hope you enjoy this different way of consuming ideas. It is a darker, sadder subject because it is on the subject of the Holocaust, which of course is insanely tragic and heartbreaking. But the way in which it's delivered makes it accessible to folks who maybe wouldn't consume that material otherwise. So we've got Mouse this week, and in the modules folder we have a great PowerPoint on Spiegelman that I hope you'll watch. Really interesting stuff. A lot of biography and personal experience went into this book because his grandfather experienced this firsthand. So please check out that PowerPoint. Also, it will help you on the final, so make sure to do that. And then we are going to be reviewing for the final exam. You have a little optional extra credit opportunity here to round out. And then we go into next week where we have our final. And once again, we've split this into two. So the final is more multiple choice, short answer, that kind of thing. And then we have a short final essay, just like we did for the midterm. Then we'll do a quick reflective quiz, and then we're done. Hooray! We're almost there. It's so close. And the reflective quiz is like super duper easy. So it's like bonus points, which is awesome to give you a little boost right there at the end. So lots of great things coming our way. If you go into our class, which I'm going to do, and go into the modules tab, which takes a second because my computer is dumb. And we go into our postmodernism week. Here is the Art Spiegelman lecture. Really good stuff here. Please check it out. It will help you on the final. So watch this. It's good stuff. And familiarize yourself with the postmodernism recorded lecture. I know we watched this like eons ago, it feels like. But before you take the final exam, I would highly, highly recommend just rewatching this. To help you be successful. Once again, with the final, if you haven't watched our recorded lectures, please do that. They will help you. Hopefully you've been watching them as we go, because otherwise this is quite a bit of time to sit down and try and cram them all at the last minute. But if that's the case, please kind of spread it out over this week so you'll be ready for Monday. We've got some other materials that might be helpful here. We've got a postmodernism study guide. I think that you might find helpful as we go into our final exam next Monday. So lots of good stuff there. Please check that out so you're all ready to go for the final exam. And that's going to be found in quizzes as it normally is. Actually, wait, nope. The reflection is in quizzes. I guess it's in assignments, which means it won't be timed, which takes the pressure off of you. So hooray, that's exciting. There we go. So if you have any questions, please reach out. I hope you enjoy the reading this week. Lots of really good stuff as we round out our time with the postmodernism movement. And as we head into our final exams, we're so close, guys. We're almost there. And here, once again, is your final chance at some extra credit if you want to do that. Talking about poems and all that good stuff. It has been so much fun going through this American Lit with you this quarter, guys. Truly, I love teaching this kind of stuff, and I love getting to see the ideas that you guys bring to the table. Because like we talked about at the beginning of the quarter, Aristotle's idea of the schema, how we each perceive the world a little bit differently based on our past experiences, whether that's our upbringing, our family life, our hobbies, our jobs, our education, our religion. All of that plays into how we understand the world and how we interact with ideas and how we empathize, sympathize, relate to other people. So getting to read through your assignments has been just so awesome because everyone brings just that unique perspective to the table, and I love that. So thank you for investing in these assignments. Thanks for reading this stuff and commenting on it and really engaging with the ideas. Some of these ideas are uncomfortable and difficult, but you have fearlessly trudged ahead, and I so appreciate that. So thank you for your hard work so far. Continue that work as we round out our time together. Like I said, I'll post one more video next Monday talking about the final in more detail, talking about the final essay and the reflection. But we are so close to being done, guys. So hang in there, keep up your excellent work, and reach out with any questions.